Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your host Vikas Chandra Pedredla, and let's do a reading for the month of February 2021 for Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus and Jupiter signs for the sign of Cancer. And Cancer, this time from February I'll be using this new deck. It's called Thought Deck by Aleister Crowley, and also I'm going to use a new method for these cards. It's called Golden Dawn Spread. Okay, it consists of 15 cards, and there'll be 5 different variations of 3 cards in the spread, and I'll guide you along with it. Also, I'm going to use this crystal wand for magnification of the information from the cards and receive energies easily. So let's get into your reading, guys. Okay, so the first 3 cards I'm dealing right now is your situation. Now I'm going on to your current path, alternate path, psychological basis and karma. So this is a cycle that I'll be repeating. Situation is over. Again I'm going to current path, alternate path, psychological basis and karma. Current path, alternate path, psychological basis and karma. There are 2 different cards in the deck. These are Thelema symbol, and this is the initiation card for the OTO. I'll be keeping this in the deck, but whenever these 2 cards comes out, I'll swap to another one. Okay, but these will be present in the deck. Okay. So now the spread is done. Let's do the face up for your cards and see what we have. Alright guys, now the face up of the cards are done. Let's get into your reading. In this situation you have cruelty, ace of discs and the priestess. Okay, so we have 1 major arcana, and out of 3, 2 are very positive, very positive, except for the 9 of swords. I'll start with that first. So the situation is quite it requires you to do work, a lot of work which tires you. You can see this blood over here. So there is a lot of work which is tiring you. There is a lot of work in the situation that is your situation. Okay, a lot of work. It requires you to move forward in a way that is quite painful. You have to stretch even more than your comfort zone, which is again hindering your health in a negative way. In the center of the reading, you got Ace of Discs. No matter what happens, this will be solid in the center, Ace of Discs, which means money. You'll be getting money, okay? No matter if the work is difficult, no matter if it is tiring or painful, at the end, this will be solid. You will get your money, okay? There is no other way around. You will get your money, and it's going to be a lot of money, okay? You also got High Priestess in the situation. In this, it's the Priestess. Second card, Major Arcana. Second Major Arcana. And even these are radio waves. You can see over here these lines. These are radio waves. It is communicating with objects, and I feel like you're drawn to shapes mostly. A lot of shapes, you're drawn to that. Okay, different shapes. Maybe you might be learning drawing recently, or you might think that, or you might get attracted to drawing. You might learn drawing, or you might think that I have to learn drawing just recently. So this can happen. Okay, so a lot of attraction towards shapes is what I'm seeing, and also situation is quite mysterious is what I'm seeing. Not everything is getting revealed in the situation. It's quite mysterious, and it is you have to just move forward in order to understand what is that clearly, and also believe that you can understand and then move forward. Okay, situation is like that. Let's get into your current path and see what cards we have. We have Lovers, Aeon, and Defeat. Defeat is 5 of Swords, and we have 2 Major Arcanas here in the current path, which is Lovers and Aeon. So let's get into Lovers here, Lovers card. And this card getting this energy right now, it's quite prominent because it's Valentine's Day and we got Lovers card. Okay, so yeah, if you're already married or in a committed relationship, you might connect with them again and share emotions with the Lovers card, with the current path. And also there'll be angels who will be guiding you. The universe is guiding both of them and blessing both of them. You can see a lot of angels here and a lot of astrological significance of the cosmic egg also here. We have Rahu. A lot of things going on here in the Lovers card. It's very complex, especially in thought. So yeah, very spiritual. If you are already in a relationship, then this relationship is very, very spiritual. We got Aeon card also. Aeon is a very spiritual card. I'll get into the 5 of Swords later, but Aeon is a very spiritual card. So this is a very spiritual connection if you are in a relationship. If not, then the spouse who will be coming to your life in the future, the spouse who will marry you, she will be a very spiritual person, he or she. Okay, because Lovers and Aeon is a very spiritual card you can get, and coming next to each other, it amplifies the energy as well. And that's what it means. Both will be together. Okay, this might be a soulmate relationship also. You can see the soul over here in the background, and that's the connection that you have. Okay, a lot of past life history also is there between you two guys. You got 5 of Swords, which is Defeat in the current path only. So of course, when whoever you be in a relationship or whoever you marry, definitely there is a lot of karmic pending and karmic debt, okay, that you have to clear, so you will marry to them in this lifetime. But that's what Defeat means. Of course, there is some karmic connection, karmic ties, and even the etheric cards which are built up is depending on where the karmic has to give the energy out in a way. So that's what defeat card means. There is of course some negative energy which has to be cleared down in this lifetime. That's what Five of Swords is. Of course, right now, if you're in a relationship with the other person, then this is significant. This is happening in the current path, current situation. If not, then your current situation is that it is telling you that in the future, you will be guided with this person, this kind of person. Now, in the alternate path, now this is your current path. Okay, your this may not be your what do you call, your choice of going in this life, but this is what is coming up in your current energies for your current situation. Okay, this is current path, that is this is situation, that is current path. Your current path is it is guiding you towards that energy. Okay, but this may not be your choice of going it. It doesn't happen most of the time, but this is kind of a different reading I'm getting. An alternate path, you have indolence. Okay, what is this alternate path is this can alternately happen, not that you can alternately take. Of course you could take for few people, but I am sensing that since your current path is not necessarily your choice of going, because it's happening in a spiritual level automatically. Even this alternate path can happen depending on how you move forward. This is quite blocked energy. I'm not able to sense what you're exactly doing, especially just working hard and making money. With the High Priestess also, it's very secretive. So your current path is quite hidden, and most of it are spiritual cards. Even alternate path can happen that way, that you don't have a choice, but you'll just go through it depending on how you move forward in life, with respect to the situation. Now, indolence card, this can also alternately happen than your current path, as I said. What does this means? You will receive things, okay, but you feel like you want more, or you feel like you just need everything at once. Okay, but you can see these cups are quite half filled, not necessarily half. Out of 8 they are 4, half. And the reason why it is half is it is taking time for others to fill, but right now in the present moment only 4 are filled. But when these 4 are filled, I can see these 2 cups are fully filled, and these are like quite half. So once these are filled, then rest of the cups are also will get filled. Okay, so you're not quite patient with regards to materialistic things and even emotions. Okay, so you have to quite wait until you receive the amount of money, like the Ace of Discs. But that is the significance. This can also alternately happen where you feel a lack of not having everything at once. And Ace of Swords also means because of you feeling that way, you're not able to start in a creative manner or progressive manners. You're not able to take some action with the Ace of Swords. You have a dream, you have a desire, but it's quite in the clouds over here. It's just in the mind, it's in the clouds. Okay, you're not able to take action. It's very cloudy. You don't know why it is like that, but you're feeling a lack in the background. You have interference that is quite interfering you. The sensation of you feeling that way, it's quite interfering. Okay, that is what is interference card. It's interfering with the Swords energy, Ace of Swords. And also lot of chaos. Okay, unwanted things, unwanted chaos. Okay, within the Swords itself. So within your mind, that also can alternately happen. It's totally different from the current path. So this is the main reason why I think universe is kind of taking away from that negative energy, and all those angels are with you at this time, Cancer. And this is for Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus and Jupiter signs. Okay, especially I can feel Rising and Sun and Moon. Okay, than Venus and Jupiter. I think all, because Aeon and Lovers card, so even Venus and Jupiter will be very, very significant. All Sun, Moon and Rising, I think this is resonating very, very much. Let me know in the comments down below. Also, let's get into your psychological basis. You have virtue, strive, and completion. So yeah, these are very solid colors. You can see orange, yellow, and green, very solid. They are not neutral. You can see they are quite neutral cards in the spread also, but these are very, very solid and very, very vibrant. So your psychological basis in the background is quite bright. Okay, whatever is happening, it's quite bright, but you have to be quite patient to have everything solid. Okay, I feel like you have a sensation that you have to have everything all at once at this present moment, so that you can feel fulfilled in your life. But with the 3 of wands, 5 of wands, and 4 of wands, all wands, it is asking you in the background, it's quite fiery, and everything is kind of maintaining its balance, trying to maintain its balance. Okay, we have orange, which is fire. It is complementing with the yellow next to it, so it's quite balancing. Okay, fire and air, and then we have earth, which is green, so it's balancing. Okay, it's trying to balance with all its elements. What is the meaning of virtue? Is nothing but you have to just wait for a while and not do anything. Just wait for a while, just keep on doing your work. Even though if it's hard, just keep on doing your work. It will take some time, but you have to just wait. You have strive, which means you have to be striving. You have to wait and be striving, be working hard, be continue to work hard. With the completion at one point of time, then there will be completion. When everything is balanced, when all the wands are set up in alignment, then there will be completion. So it will take some time. Okay, but again, with the completion card, you have circle over here. It forms a disc like a pentacle. This is the same completion I'm talking about, the money, the pentacle. You can see in the situation which came in the center, you can see there is also a circle over here. This is what it means. Okay, with the completion card, you will get your money, but you have to wait and keep striving. Let's look into your karma. What is your karma in the February 2021? You have Empress, Wailer, and Gain. So with the Empress card, you might also be Libra. Your placement of planets also might be in Libra. Okay, because Empress is Libra and it represents Venus. You have this really beautiful card in thought, and Empress is really, really amazing card to come out, especially in karma. So your karma is to just be radiant, be beautiful, and just love yourself a lot. And even Lover's card, so you might be loving yourself a lot. Okay, in February. And you have a lot of animals also, which are like quite attracted to you. You know, that adds up to your attractiveness also. The way you attract other animals also is suggesting that your vibration is very, very good. Okay, and automatically all the all the other spiritual beings also are getting connected with you very easily. And that is the main reason your heart chakra is being opened in the month of February, is what I'm seeing. With the lotus also, your heart chakra is very open. Your mind also is very peaceful. You have all the 2 cycles over here of the moon, and a lot of symbolism of the moon also with the Empress card and Venus. Okay, so I suggest you to, because Empress came in the karma, I suggest you to look at moon sign and Venus sign readings in my February 2021. That will also help you to gain more information what is going on with respect to karma. If you want to open that, it's same like divisional chart. Okay, if you want to open the karma right now, look into your moon sign and Venus sign. Okay, it's just looking like a in a microscope. With the Wailer card, you have 7 of Wands, which is Wailer. Your karma is to again keep working hard and believing in yourself, that you have to never give up. You have to have this shield within you that this is my area, I won't let any negative energy come. And you have to build that shield. In order to build that shield, you have to believe in yourself and just keep moving in the direction where you want to go. Okay, so that is the Wailer card. And you have Mars and Leo also. You might be connecting with them a lot in work area. Also, a lot of quite negative energy is there between Leo person because of the Mars energy. It could be, okay, it depends on you. You have 9 of discs, which is gain, which is the last card in karma, and the spread. You might be connecting a lot with symbols, especially this I can see a symbol. It looks like Versace, and not necessarily that, but it kind of looks like that. Okay, over here you might be connecting a lot with symbols, especially brand items. And yeah, there is significance of moon also, lot of hidden symbols. So you might notice that if you look at something, there is quite a secret symbol which is camouflaged in that, because I can see a person over here and it looks like this Capricorn symbol. So that's something which can happen. Also, gain represents in karma, you have to gain money. The starting of the reading I told, whatever happens, it doesn't matter. Center of your reading, you got Ace of Discs. It is clarified by completion card in the psychological basis and also in karma, which is gain. It is just gaining. Also, you might be connecting a lot with international currencies, something which has to do with international currencies. You might be trading that, or you might be converting that, not necessarily, you might be converting that, and you might be just coming across that. You might see some international currency somewhere in this month. It could happen. And also connecting with international people. Okay, you can see there is a lot of directions. You might be connecting with international people, okay, different cultures, and getting to know them and sharing your knowledge with them, etc. This could happen. That's all I have for you, Cancer. Beautiful reading, but quite mysterious reading in the month of February for you, especially Cancer. And the situation is like that with the Priestess card. Priestess is a very knowledgeable person. She's very knowledgeable. She's very educated. In the kingdom, many people will be looking at her, what she's doing, but no one really knows what is she doing. Okay. And she'll connect a lot with fruits, is what I'm seeing. Even in the Rider Waite, you can see pomegranates and everything. You might be eating fruits. And quite mysterious card, Priestess, okay, because she's very intuitive and knowledgeable. She doesn't want to share everything to people, not even her very closed ones. She keeps everything by herself. And a lot of educated. Many people don't know what kind of books she reads. So that is what is Priestess. Because of the coming as the situation, Major Arcana, that's what I'm not able to find out what your which direction you're actually going to in the current path. But I can see in the situation you're working very hard on your money and finances. That's all. A lot of spiritual energy with respect to other partner is what I'm seeing. Some spiritual connections there. Her beautiful reading actually. Overall, it's a very heavy reading also in the month of February for Cancer, especially if you have Moon in Cancer, Venus in Cancer, and if you have either Moon in Libra or Venus in Libra, and Moon in very which in a nakshatra which is very hiding. There are few nakshatras which likes to hide in the rocks, like Scorpio. It will always hide in the rocks, and if it only attacks when someone comes near with its tail, but it will always be hiding in the rocks, something like that. That kind of nakshatra, having Moon in that kind of nakshatra, that will be very, very prominent. This reading will resonate very, very well. Until then, I'll catch you guys in the next one, guys. If you like the reading, click the like button. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, click on the bell icon to get notified. Never miss any video. And especially with this method of me reading the cards, I suggest you to look out for Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus and Jupiter, and also keep visiting my channel to get updated with new monthly predictions. Okay, this is February. Check with your March. Okay, and a lot of Mars energy is also there. I can see Mars symbol a lot. Okay, in this reading. That might be significant. Even Sun, we got Aries, we got Sun. Yeah, a lot of red also, and a lot of green, blue. Yeah, you might be connecting a lot with all the elements, especially blue and red. Okay. Yeah, if you like to get a personal reading from me, you can check out this poster. I do tarot readings, astrological readings, life coaching and daily readings, and all the price ranges are mentioned respectively. You can find my social media links there. And you can reach out to me and I'll connect to you as soon as possible. Until then, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Thank you.